Just got my Two Brothers Racing Black Series aluminum slip-on canister today, and I am gonna put it on my 2013 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. This is the one without the ABS. I was considering getting the carbon fiber one, but this one was a hell of a deal. It's only 189 bucks on Amazon, and I think they made a mistake because 30 minutes after I ordered it, I checked the same product again and it was like 350 bucks, so scored on this sucker. Anyway, this one's gonna go there. Replace this big exhaust. So yeah, I'll post another video here once I get done.